Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix is ChatGPT feeling slow for you, click take time, chat history open late, and ChatGPT responses feel delayed. In this video I will show you why this happened and how to fix it properly. So the same problem issue I am facing, as you can see guys, when I'm trying to access my chat history, at that time it was taking too much time to load. After taking some time, it was loading, but loading very slow. So there is 4 to 5 main reason behind this problem issue. Okay, this usually happen due to heavy chat history. So as you can see guys, I have lot of chat history available stored in my ChatGPT project, as you can see guys. Second main reason is this guys, due to browser cache overloaded, and third main important reason is this guys, weak or unstable internet. So fourth reason is this guys, VPN or extension. Or fifth reason is this guys, high server load on ChatGPT 4. This is not a hardware issue in most cases. So the problem is in your ChatGPT only. If you are using an old or very long chat, stop using it. So I am using the same, as you can see guys in my screen. So just I will select the new chat from the ChatGPT. Now it will working very fine, as you can see guys in my screen. Basically the problem is from the heavy and overloaded chat. If you want to use the heavy and overloaded chat only, you need to delete your previous chat history from your chat. Open your chat history project and simply you need to delete it. Click on three dots and here you can get the option to delete your previous chat. After deleting your old chat, it will fix your problem. If you are using ChatGPT in your web browser, you need to clear your browser caches history cookies. Click on three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security and click on delete browsing data, select history caches cookies, select all time and simply delete it. So same process you need to follow on your ChatGPT in mobile phone as well. Afterwards it will fix your problem. Also you need to update your browser as well. Go to about section, and if the app update is available, simply go ahead update your app. After updating, try to browse your ChatGPT. So one more thing guys, avoid using ChatGPT 4 during peak hour. ChatGPT 4 is slower when servers are busy. If speed matter, temporary switch to ChatGPT 3.5. You will get faster. To switch this guys, click on ChatGPT and here you can get the option ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 3.5. just need to switch your ChatGPT, it will fix your problem. If your device was connected with VPN, you need to disconnect it from your device. So I am using Windows, so I will open my Windows settings, go to network and internet, go to VPN setting. If the VPN is connected, you need to disconnect it. Same setting you need to follow on your phone as well. And one more thing guys, you need to check your internet stability, how your internet was performing on your PC or phone. Just open any other website like YouTube, Facebook, anything, and check your internet connection, how was your internet connection is. If the internet connection is slow, at that time you can face the problem in ChatGPT as well. You need to sort out your internet issue. Also you need to check your device date and time setting. If the device date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. Okay, after doing this guys, it will fix your problem. ChatGPT speed also depend on OpenAI server. Sometimes the issue is temporary and not on your side. This is issue from the ChatGPT server only. At that time you need to wait for few minutes and try to log in back on your account. It will fix your problem. So these are the easy and simple method to fix the ChatGPT issue. If this video helped you, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.